Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk. Ain't no Budget Wednesday what we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and these refrigerator and get down for you. So stay tuned as we go through another episode of Budget Wednesday. Alright guys, let's go through these cabinets and see what we got for this week. Woo! Compa! What do we have? Oh. Let me see if all my Zoes out there. Sock for sale. Shoot. I know what I feel like making. You know what? I'll make something delicious and something gourmet with the tuna. Okay, we got the tuna. We got some tuna. So I'm taking out some tuna. Alright, let me see what else I got. Alright, I'm gonna go with the bread. I got a multi-grain bread. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can work with. Let's go to the refrigerator and see what we have. Woo! Compa, baby! I'm gonna give that an old man style. Y'all ready for that? Alright, so I have some fresh tomatoes. And I got some already chopped up onions. Oh, hold on, why are you closing, bro? I ain't done. Alright, let me see what else we have. Oh, I got some cheese. Alright, I got some cheese. I might do a double cheese on that bad boy. And then, ooh, we got some Greek, olives, okay. And what else do I have? Well, I got some Dijon mustard. Might put that in there. Let's take a look. What else do we have? Oh, we got some lettuce. So let's get some fresh head of lettuce. Okay, very nice. And what else you got? Alright, well, that's it for the fridge. That's it for the fridge right now. So what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients and I had a few extras, I decided to go with a Tuscan Tuna Melt. Let's see how this bad boy turned out. So I look like I'm gonna put together something, a gourmet tuna sandwich. So let's stay tuned for my gourmet sandwich. Okay.
One way. Qui j'en a plein, pas qu'à comprendre, ça qu'à vivre comme si pas ni problème. Pourtant, ça, la vie, la reine, qui j'en a fait pour que ça kembe. Zouk là, c'est ça le médicament uni. Zouk là, c'est ça le médicament uni. Pas de connaître, c'est que là, ça, dans mon plan là, moi, t'es ça, comprendre. Dans mon plan là, beaucoup saisi, si jamais je m'en tombais malade. Zouk là, c'est ça le médicament uni. 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 Si c'est ça même, on zouké. On nous voit. Mi comme ça, mi comme ça, mi comme ça, mi comme ça, 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 comme ça. Zouk là, c'est ça le médicament uni. 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 Qui j'en a faim, pas qu'à comprendre, ça qu'à vivre comme si pas ni problème. Pourtant, ça, la vie, la reine, qui j'en a fait pour que ça kembe. Zouk là, c'est ça le médicament uni. 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 Pas de connaître, c'est que là, ça, en mon plan là, moi, t'es ça, comprendre. médicament nous ni. Zouk là c'est seul 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 médicament nous ni.
Budget Wednesday again in the building. Now, like I said, this is a budget gourmet meal right here. As you can take a look, this thing is delicious. It's a Tuscan Tuna Melt. Of course, I gotta throw in my platinums in it. You know I gotta put my platinums in there. So, enough for the long talking and explanation. Let's get down to the real test. Why you guys are here, right? Why we all are here. So let me just put this down right here. Let me just, put that bad boy on top of that bad boy. All right. Let's go. Moment of truth. Woo! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that sandwich was found guilty, discharged, and about to get murdered. Oh my God. That was delicious. All right. So again, that's a, I got food up. I said that for later. I'll put it all in my mouth. Guys, that Tuscan tuna sandwich was the bomb. Email me for recipes. I'll send it out to you guys. Fax me, text me. Share this with a friend. You gotta share this with a friend. It's too simple, too easy, and too delicious not to share with a friend. What you heard you just say? Thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday, and please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to go over to beerorganicatering.com over here and pick up a sauce. If you don't pick up a sauce, well, pick up a sauce anyway. But thank you guys for watching. I'm about to get back to this bad boy right here and do what I do best. Peace.